Did you know one of the biggest fears, especially for Indonesians, is afraid to speak English correctly? And how do we solve it? Stay tuned for this video. As Indonesians, we tend to be afraid to make mistakes in spoken English.
Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.
We were taught everything in English with the textbooks, which usually consist only of right and wrong. They didn't teach us how to communicate instead. Because of that, we are afraid to make any mistakes. I'll show you some clips of the most popular people in the world who barely speak English.
Hong Kong, Hong Kong, just that tiny small, 7 million people. Wherever you go, there's people. In Canberra, 5 o'clock, I walk on the street, nobody. Really?
As you can see, Jackie Chan made several grammar mistakes. But the audience didn't care about it. They were entertained by his story, neither by his grammar nor accent. I'll show you another one.
The anger. I think that they have the things more easily. Everything is easily. They don't suffer. They don't care. All the teams, all leagues.
If you are still in doubt, I'll show you another one.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself, myself Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad.
Not that one. It was funny but too broken, and he was attending a formal event, so don't follow that as an example. The point is that we shouldn't be afraid to make mistakes for speaking English. English is not our mother language. It is normal for us to not be able to talk as fluently as native speakers who were born with English as their mother language. Especially if you didn't grow up in a supported English environment such as myself. Sometimes I try to compare my English with my friends who had the privilege when they were kids. It isn't fair at all. So instead of focusing on something that is beyond our control, such as the English environment that we didn't get, we should focus on our process. Like a baby trying to learn their first language. Everyone has their learning process, including you, my friend. So don't be afraid, keep learning from mistakes, and never back down. See you later.